Hello. First of all, I would like to thank IBICA 2023 organizing committee for this opportunity to present my research article. My name is Sudip Phuyal. I am today here to present my paper titled Wearable Devices for Long-Term Care, Survey and Opportunities with paper ID 21. This is authored by me and my colleagues Luis Elvas, Joao Ferreria and Rabindra Bista under the project Blockchain.PT. I'm here representing the Information Sciences, Technologies and Architecture Research Center, STAR, at University Institute of Lisbon. I would like to begin my presentation from here. First of all, let me begin my presentation from the outline of the slides. I will introduce the topic from its background and present the literature review, and then I will discuss the opportunities and challenges of wearable technology for long-term healthcare. And then I will present the discussions and conclusions made by this article. And in the last, I will present the acknowledgement to the contributors for this research and the list of main references. Now, talking about the background, the wearable devices containing sensors with smart technology has huge potential of transforming the healthcare management and also can improve the lives of those in extended care. According to the report published in 2022 by Fortune Business Insights, shows the current market capital of wearable devices is 59.12 billion US dollars, which is projected to have a market value of 428.92 billion US dollars with assumption of annual growth rate of 28.6% in 2030. Also, according to M Health Intelligence, 40% of American citizens use applications connected to healthcare, and 35% of them use wearable healthcare devices, which also indicates the more population is already using the wearable healthcare devices. The main reasons of rapid growth of use of these wearable devices are mainly found due to the increased demand of remote patient monitoring and telemedicine services, miniaturization of sensor technology, increased awareness of benefits of wearables, and increased support from governments and private organizations for wearable devices research. Now, going through the state of the art, let's begin from the literature review. We found there were many works which intended to explore the current scope of wearable technology in the domain of healthcare, and also some of them are focused for exploring their market. Wearables are becoming more promising technology in healthcare as they offer real-time monitoring for quick issue identification and mainly for chronic conditions monitoring and to help the remote areas lacking healthcare. Some reports were also reviewed, which were focused in the discussion of the current market demand of wearable technology. Also, use of wearables for patient health data monitoring during the pandemics became the breakthrough to make them more useful and productive with the healthcare professionals as well as to the patients. So, in a nutshell, the use of wearable technologies is being more common for reducing healthcare costs to address needs of aging populations and manage burden of growing chronic illness. Now let's discuss about the use cases, applications as well as challenges of using wearables. In the role of chronic conditions management, the real-time monitoring tracks vital metrics like heart rate, activity, medication adherence, and integration with digital health platforms, which allows for updated info and treatment adjustments. So this benefits as low cost, improved outcomes, and patient engagement with healthcare professionals. And main challenge becomes addressing the data privacy as the patient data is shared to the healthcare facilities for the tracking. Next use case of wearables is found to be medication management. This includes reminders for taking medications, and the sensors help track medication intake, and integration with electronic health records enables real-time feedback and adjustments to medication regimes. Its main benefits includes increased outcomes, increased engagement, and reduced healthcare costs. And challenges for this use case is also the data privacy as well as its security. And another challenge is standardization of data collection methods. Next use case of wearables is the vital sign monitoring. Wearable devices monitor heart rate, blood pressure, and more, aiding those with chronic conditions, which has potential benefits of improved quality of life, health status monitoring, and alerts for potential issues. The main challenge becomes sensor accuracy and reliable algorithms for data interpretation, then also includes some privacy concerns. Let's discuss about the technological advancements in wearable technology. The impact of high speed communication in healthcare enables wearables for monitoring and development of smart home health products. This reduces infection risks as the medical services or medical advices can be taken remotely, and this also saves time and money. This also offers real time contact with healthcare practitioners, which expands patient access to experts. Talking about influence of cloud computing in healthcare, uh, we can we can say this the effect of cloud computing in healthcare that stimulates the investments by government and insurance in innovation in healthcare, including sensors and remote medical infrastructures, which can drive progressive change in medical technology. And also, census downsizing is possible to make medical technology more accessible and more affordable with the help of cloud computing or um, remote monitoring in healthcare. Further implementation of machine learning helps to identify diseases and health conditions through wearables data, which supports decision making for doctors as well as remote patient monitoring in chronic disease management. Let's talk about the revolutionizing power of wearables in long term healthcare. Wearable technology combined with telemedicine revolutionizes the patient monitoring and real time health data collection. This also enhances treatment effectiveness and accuracy by overcoming geographical barriers. And wearables create comprehensive health information repositories for better healthcare outcomes. And talking about the challenges in embracing wearable technology, privacy and security concerns regarding patient data need reliable infrastructures and procedures for widespread implementation. Obstacles for implementation of wearables includes stakeholder support, consistent regulatory frameworks, necessary infrastructures, data accuracy and its validation, and device or system interoperability. Now, talking about the value proposition of wearables in long term care, the continuous monitoring capabilities, early anomaly detection, and real time data access boost patient involvement, also streamlines healthcare provider collaboration, which reduces the number of hospital visits and admissions and has potential for long term cost savings. Although wearables has transformative in healthcare delivery, the hurdles of adoption of them include complexities and necessary measures for successful integration. Now we came to conclude this research. This work reviewed the latest development and scenario in the context of wearable technologies and identified the potential to transform healthcare facilities with the use of wearable technologies for long-term healthcare and also presented the challenges for their adoption. The authors of this research work are grateful to the funding agencies Blockchain.PT and Erasmus Plus NEEM project. This work was supported by Blockchain.PT and is also under the Erasmus Plus NEEM project. Here are the main references we followed. Thank you so much for your kind attention.